House sparrows are one of the most common birds we see in our garden. Sparrows are small birds, about 10 centimeters long. They are omnivorous and eat grains, insects, flower nectar, and scraps from the kitchen. House sparrows nest almost all year round, and they lay about 3 to 5 eggs. We get two types of bulbuls in our garden, the red-vented bulbul and the red-whiskered bulbul. This is a picture of a red-vented bulbul. They are bigger than the sparrow, about 20 centimeters. Bulbuls eat fruits, small berries, insects, and flower nectar. They nest during the month February to May and have a clutch of about 2 to 3 eggs. These tuneful black and white birds are called magpie robins. A magpie robin's diet consists mainly of insects and flower nectar. They are usually found in villages and towns, and they guard their territory very jealously. Magpie robin eggs are a pale bluish-green color and normally are a clutch of 3 to 5 eggs. Coppersmith barbets have a surprisingly loud call compared to their size, which is like a sparrow. Barbets eat fruits and berries, especially banyan and peepal figs, and they are likely to be found where there are fruit trees. You cannot tell the different genders apart. Tree pies are large birds with long tails. When they fly, there is a distinctive white stripe on its tail. Tree pies have quite a variety of meals, including insects, fruits, lizards, frogs, and eggs of other birds and reptiles. They are usually found in noisy pairs or family parties. Purple sunbirds are small, smaller than a sparrow. The males are often mistaken for hummingbirds due to their shiny plumage and long beaks. Sunbirds eat insects and spiders, but their meals mainly consist of flower nectar. Their nesting season is during the months March to May, and their nests are small hanging pouches of soft grass. Both types of orioles eat insects, fruits, berries, and flower nectar, although the golden oriole also eats banyan and peepal figs. Orioles' nests are a deep cup shape and are made of grass and cobwebs. They hang like a hammock between two branches in trees. Quails are about the size of a common crow. Their meals consist mainly of fruits and berries, but also of insects and caterpillars. Quails are silent in winter, but get noisier and noisier as the hot weather comes in. White-throated kingfishers are the most familiar of kingfishers to us, and are also the least dependent on water. They eat fish, tadpoles, lizards, grasshoppers, and other insects. A kingfisher's nest is a long hole or tunnel dug in the side of the ground, like the vertical edge of a riverbank. Another name for the hawk cuckoo is the brain fever bird due to its call. They eat hairy caterpillars, other insects, fruits, and berries. Hawk cuckoos are silent in winter. They only have one egg, which is blue like the parents. Black drongos are not uncommon in open countrysides. They like to perch on telephone wires and thin branches of trees. They eat insects, flower nectar, and sometimes even smaller birds. In Bangla, they're called finge. The black drongo's call is the sound which occurs 3 times in the recording, and it sounds like this. Click the speaker symbol to hear the black drongo call again. Another name for the cuckoo is the crow pheasant. They eat caterpillars, snails, mice, big insects, and birds' eggs. Cuckoos are large birds, a bit bigger than a crow. They are often found near human habitation, and both genders look alike. The cuckoo's call sounds like this. Boop, 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 boop. Click the sound button to hear it again. Red-whiskered bulbuls are usually found in pairs or small groups. Their meals are the same as the red-vented bulbuls: fruits, berries, insects, and flower nectar. Red-whiskered bulbuls are tamer than the red-vented bulbuls.